Time now to cross to Tino Kambasha. He's an executive director at Imara Edwards Securities, and that for a view on the Zimbabwean market scene. Tino, let's go through the kind of activity we're seeing right now, because there's a divergence in trend when it comes to the performance of the industrial index and the mining index right now.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, Alicia. Industrial index performing pretty well, up on Friday by 1.52 points there to close at 192. What you find is that the mining index is actually kind of stagnating. Not a lot of liquidity in that sector. They have a lot of uncertain policies coming through, and we're just waiting to hear and see what's happening. But on the industrial index, a lot of demand, not enough liquidity.
When it comes to the mining scene, you of course highlight the fact that we're waiting for investors to see some stability when it comes to economic policy, when it comes to the macroeconomic picture as a whole. Chief amongst concerns as well, though, is the availability of correctly priced long-term capital. So take us through what exactly is unfolding there.
Well, as we always know, mining, it's a long-term, long play. And money in Zim currently is mostly geared at short-term and is wrongly priced. So very expensive short-term money, not ideal for investors to put into mining, as we still have a perceived, country risk there, which is improving, we think, on a day-to-day basis. So up until we sort that out, we have an election coming up later on in the year. I think beyond that, we will see a little bit more focus going into the mining sector.
Take us through then where you're seeing the buying opportunities right now, because yes, we're waiting for that long-term picture or clarity regarding that long-term picture to unfold first when it comes to mining. But we've seen the industrial index surging higher, and that putting valuations at question. No,
definitely. But the companies that are performing in the industrial index are performing under fundamentals. So you've got your deltas, yes, sitting at $1.56 billion market cap, but they have done pretty well, and their results are coming through next week. So we'll see how their scorecard does. We also have Econet results coming through next week. So basically, those are the things we're waiting to see, and to see whether on the ground it's actually producing, and it is a real story.